Hi there, Sandra here. I have two channels on YouTube, Createinspain and Siser, Juliet, Beginners to Pro. If the only thing you're interested in is Juliet cutters, Romeo cutters, and how to use those, then that is the channel you will probably want to watch. Okay, so a quick video today on how to set your design so that you have different force for different lines. Now it could be for something like stickers where you want to do a kiss cut. It could be something where you want to do folding for card making, box making, or that sort of thing. Whatever it is, this is how you actually do it. Now to start with, you want to go into your cut settings. It doesn't matter that you've got nothing here to cut. You just want to set up your settings. So we have here custom blade setting. If I click on this arrow, we got the standard blade and we have a pen tool and we have the custom blade. So I'm just going to keep it on custom blade setting. Ignore the calibrate for the moment, we're not doing that. And if you go down to this box here where it says fold and crease, there are different options. You've got fold and crease, you have cutting tool, and you have full cut perforation. It will simply be perforated lines. If I go to the fold and crease, you can see I've put in a speed of 10 and a force of 14. If I go to my cutting tool, I've got a speed of 10 and a force of 33. You can set these to what you want. It is not something where it automatically goes to half the pressure that your cut line is on. You set it to what you want it to be. Now we go back to the design and we can put our design in. So I'm going to just do a rectangle and I'll do a heart and I need to change the color. If I go to artboard, where's my color? Here we go. Change this one to yellow. Okay. Now I want to send this design and I want to send these at different forces. Maybe I'm using a different material on different parts of the mat. Doesn't make any difference. I want different forces. Now, what you need to remember is that if you do not separate by color, it's going to cut it all in one go. If you want it to cut a layer, pause, allow you to move something or whatever, and then do something else, then you need to uncheck that box. I think you'll find it's unchecked by default. So if you want it to just keep on cutting, check this box and you just assume your settings are correct there. You just go to send. So we now come up into the cutter window. Now, because I don't have it separated by color, even though these colors are different, you can see they are within the same cutting area box. If we go to back to design, we go to the layers, go on layers tab. Now I do wish that Siser would make this tab much more visible. It's very difficult to see. It's tiny writing and it's black on dark grey and it's really hard to see it. At least change it to a different colour writing, it would help. So if I click on the heart here, I've got it selected. Come down here, so I've got the default is cut. I want this one to fold and score instead. So you now see that here it's got this mustard dot, which tells me that I'm folding and scoring. Now the other option in here, which you might want to know about, is the cut and print or the fold and print. If you do not have the print option selected, it's not going to send anything to the printer for you. So in this case, I would want fold and print. So the square here, I want to set that to cut. So I go down here and default cut, cut tool, yeah, that's fine. Or cut and print if that's what I want to do. And because I've got solid shapes, I'm guessing I probably want to print it. So we now go to send design. The don't separate by color is on and we send that. And you can see that all colors are going to be done at the same time. If you want it to actually do a print and cut, then make sure that you have this box checked, which I didn't do. But there again, I wasn't actually going to be printing anything. That's how you sort it out so you get your different pressures and speeds for your different lines. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.